we all know agents, they're powerful. They can do anything they want. They can reasoning, they can search on the internet and deliver the task to you. But the problem today is that all the data they're using are public available data. They're free data that everyone can read and use. But what if they're able to access every corner on the internet and buy those data and even buy the company prepared data and bring that back to you and do the best analysis directly to you. So that's gonna be super powerful. So that's what I'm doing. A market intelligence agent, they can go to every corner of the internet and buy the data directly to you and deliver the task to you. So let me give you an example. So I'm an Amazon merchant. I'm selling an iPhone and I want to keep track of the competitor and to see how they changed their pricing in the last 7 days. So I deliver the task directly to my agent, and agent tell me that, oh, they're gonna cost 5 cents. Then I'm gonna say yes. And then it's gonna fetch the data in my paper well. But the beauty of it is that you don't need to buy the data directly with the data member as you do today. You don't need to build up any relationship like that. Like, for let's say, if you're not Amazon merchant anymore, you go to something else. You don't need to build up any relationship with other data vendors. You just come to this agent. The agent can deliver the task to you based on the data from the internet. So, what's the future of it? We believe the future of it is that there are going to be millions of the agents in the world. That every agent going to need some similar ability that go fetch the data and buy the data directly. So we want to build that infra that empower the agents to do their task and have the payment ability. And to do that, we need a trust system, we need a dispute system, we need a credit system for both merchants and agents. And as we build up that infra, then all the agents are able to buy the data, and all the data providers can easily sell their data to all the long-tail customers on the internet, including the humans and agents. And I also